How to fix Instagram login problem today. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can go ahead and check your Instagram server and see if the server is down, as sometimes Instagram experiences server outage. You can simply wait for a few minutes and then try again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as if you are not connected to a proper working internet connection, the error might appear. So you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary, or you can simply enable airplane mode for a few seconds in order to refresh your network connection and then toggle it off again. See if that helps, and if not, then swipe up on the Instagram application and then go ahead and force quit Instagram along with all the apps running in the background, as doing this will give the app a fresh restart. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Here, make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the Instagram application. See if that helps, and if not, then open Settings again and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Instagram and tap on it. Further, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data safe. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services. And if yes, then you can simply go ahead and disable the VPN. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then for the time being, you can go ahead and open your preferred browser and then go ahead and use the web version of Instagram, as sometimes the app might be the issue. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then on your home screen, tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on Remove App and then on Delete App. Delete the Instagram application completely and then open App Store and reinstall the application and then use it and try logging in further, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram login problem today. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.